Hi, I'm back inside out of the wind right now. So I was asked the question, it was asked, say, what success on YouTube means to me. Because right now I'm still trying to get this camera thing going and this editing and how to do these videos. But I did write out that success means that I reach an audience who view my shared videos as an influence and motivation in their own personal lives. The subscribers, I hope we could share a commonality that inspires us to connect. Also, it would not hurt getting 1 million views at all. Not at all. But that was my thought on that. And then the next question asks, YouTubers that inspires me. Now, because I play Sims a lot, that what inspired me, because I was looking at new ways of playing the game. And I came across several videos where they doing like game builds and they doing challenges and legacies, and I'm thinking, wow, they doing that and they're having fun doing it, which is what I like doing. And that's fine. I mean, you got different things. I can't do makeup tips. Look at this face. I think I got on makeup. Well, I got on something, but I'm not the makeup type. They say do a hair video. No. Because for one, I just slap it on and go. So I can't really tell you that. I can't even tell you how to keep it up. Well, that's terrible. Or, in my test video, I said fix things. Yeah, something simple like replacing the light bulb, or maybe even changing the cabinet knobs or something like that. Because right now, I have sitting next to me a brand new dining room set that I have to put together, but I got it October of last year, and it's still sitting over here in the box. I'm so motivated. Also, painting. Let's not go there. Yes. I said, oh, I love to do all these things. And then what I did, I painted a swatch. A swatch. That was in March. And that swatch is still there. So I'm getting back into this. And I believe that's why 2020 happened. Because it wanted to slow down and to get back to what matters the most. And right now is personal growth, personal health, mental, your physical, spiritual, all of these matters. And we took advantage of that we just focus on materialistic things. I mean, even before COVID, I didn't go anywhere. I didn't do anything. I just went out lunch around the world with my work brothers, or we go into the movies or something like that. But as far as like wanting to go out to clubs, I didn't do that. Going out to taking trips, I didn't do so much of that either. I took one trip, I believe, this year. Yes, to Vegas. Memorable. But that's okay. It was fun and exciting. I guess that's the most adventure that I was going to get out of this year, besides being quarantined to stay in. Like now, we got Chicago is going back on the lockdown Monday. They say up to 30 days. So we got people worrying and scrambling around here, buying up everything on the shelf. Food. I was wondering what happened to the ravioli. I went to Aldi just to get a can. Just maybe one, maybe two cans of the mini raviolis, because I like those. I'll eat those for lunch. And they were gone. Only thing left was spaghetti and meatball. I guess I don't like those. Okay, so that's that. Then I get my daughter calling me, telling my mom, did you go get you some toilet paper? Toilet paper. We back at that again. I remember in March, I couldn't get not one good, decent roll of toilet paper, right? March, not one good, decent roll of toilet paper. I basically went in and told him I'm not looking to stock up, but I just need a couple of rolls just to carry me through. Nope. So I had to play the role like them. Yes, I did. I found some at Myers. And I told my son, come on up here. We're going to get 2 rolls. I got 2, and I'll hold 2 for you. Those 4 rolls, well, my 2 rolls actually last me a while. But him, I don't know what he did with his. But anyway, that was fine. And then in June, I went to Sam's Club. And I bought a 32-pack, I believe. And right now, I still have 6. But my daughter called and said, you need to stock up on water and some tissue and this and that. And I'm thinking, oh, again. But praise be, I got kids that look after me. I mean, my son went up and scrambled up on some big rolls from Walgreens, you know, the 10 for $5, which that will work. But the thing I'm thinking about, and I even wrote this down, answer me this. And you could put it in the comments. What does a pharmaceutical company and toilet paper company have in common? Now, if you guessed it, put it in the comments below, and I will share with you the answer. Until then, let's get back to what we were talking about, the topic of today. There are so many things to talk about, but not just one thing. I know, just like you have Jada Pinkett, she has the red table, I believe. The red table. Yes, we're gonna have the break room. That's right. Editing-iMovie is coming out with the break room. But anyway, let me get back to what's going on right now with this life thing, this way of life. The question that most people is asking is when it's going to end. They was hoping it was going to end in 6 months. That was 8 months ago. Now they're extending it. So what is the grand scheme of this? I don't know. I would like to just offer just to sit down for 1 minute. 1 minute. Grab your pen and a pad and write down what your life mean to you. What do your freedom mean to you? What's the most important things in life for you right now? Because what's going on is a sign. It's a sign of changes. A lot of people who do not like changes. And the one thing to take care of yourself. And if you're stressed, you're worried, you're hungry, you can't do that. You have to find a way to live life that works for you, not what works for everyone else. I believe I've been on here long enough, but that's okay. I enjoyed it. So until then, I want you to take away with you 2 things. 2. One is, what does the pharmaceutical company and toilet paper company have in common? And 2, focus on you, your mental health, your physical health, your family. There are a lot of things that you all could do outside of the hybrid learning and working from home that you could do together that is fun. It could even be get dressed up and do a silly movie or something. Or get together and create a dance team. You know, mom and dad versus the kids. You know? These are some of the things that we would do. I mean, considering if they were here. These are some of the things that we would do for fun. Or get in the kitchen. Teach your son how to cook. Go outside, teach your daughter how to fix on the car. All of that can happen. Everything is just to maintain composure until, if and when, the way of life that we was used to return. Other than that, You have a great day, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Bye.